not this one. We're skipping that. So that one.
It looks like the pouring is blood.
Okay. All right, I think I'm ready. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Good job. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now it's time to put our thinking caps on. Why do you think I skipped some colors? What colors are we missing? Oh, Lorenzo has an idea. Lorenzo? Yes?
And then water climbs the paper towels and pour in another jar and it makes the colors of the rainbow.
How do you know this? Okay. Now I need Jackson to hand your paper towel to Lorenzo. Lorenzo, can you put Jackson's paper towel in for me?
Everybody needs to back up.
Good. And then, Gray, give yours to Kevin.
I see it. The yellow's going so fast.
Payson, give yours to Gabriella.
The yellow one's going really fast.
Vivi, give yours to Christian. In this one.
That's okay, leave that there.
I gotta go in here. Oh, what am I doing? All right. And Patrick, give yours to Charles. Charles, wait. Patrick, give yours to Charles.